Hey there! Are you an architect, interior designer, or part of the real estate industry? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of Instagram ads and how they can elevate your architectural projects to new heights. Instagram ads offer a powerful platform to showcase your architectural projects to a vast audience. With over 1 billion active users, you can increase brand visibility, generate leads, and even drive traffic to your website. The visual nature of Instagram makes it the perfect place to captivate potential clients with stunning visuals of your work. One of the key advantages of Instagram ads is the ability to target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. This means you can tailor your ads to reach individuals who are most likely to be interested in architectural services, interior design, or real estate, maximizing the impact of your advertising budget. Instagram is all about visual storytelling. Use this platform to share the narrative behind your architectural projects. Ready to take your architectural projects to the next level? Start leveraging the power of Instagram ads today.